There's an acceptable size of wood and an unacceptable size of wood. This is unacceptable.
This is how to
This
clean up the
is
drill
very
press.
acceptable. This is
These are
good.
horse Brussels sprouts.
Margin of safety for this instrument is to stay out of this ring of death you see here. Please follow all signs posted on machines.
If you ever have to cut a small piece of wood, use a lighter gauge so you don't cut your finger.
This is the guide. Use the handle to adjust it and then promptly just put it back. Keep the guide a 1/4 inch above the wood, no more. While an operator is using this machine, stay out of the yellow painted lines.
This is how you turn on the bandsaw. You turn it off here. You can use this foot brake to slow it down. This is how you properly use the bandsaw machine.